offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services. In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you.
Lucricia. Lucricia. Hello? Yeah, man. I must say we're still here. So you have to give me a moment, but very sorry about that. What? There are some things that we need to outline and more to understand. Say it's not a situation where may I pressure you in any way, but we have to maintain the fact. So you take your meds, and I have analyzed when you're trying to tell me, something that's not so. I'm not gonna say the word LIE, but I'm saying, talk to me. Are you taking
Where just say?
those meds, Lucretia?
Okay, so if me I take the meds,
Medication.
medication.
Yes.
Yes. And when me take them, if you ever know it make me feel,
Tell me how it make you feel.
like it make like one part of my brain, like it left from around here, so and come around here, so. And then me just feel like I want mad so much.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't you dare say those words here. You understand me? Tell me something. I know that there's a lot of pressure on you based on your child. How are you dealing with that situation? No.
Am my daughter you talk about?
Yes.
What happened to my daughter? My daughter lie down and sleep. She asleep, comfortable.
Lucretia.
See her teddy bear here.
Lucretia. This is one thing that we have to agree on. And to move forward positively, we have to move forward on steady grounds that are in reality. Lucretia, your daughter is no longer in the land of the living. And we know that.
No say that.
Lucretia.
No say that to me again.
It's not what I'm saying, is what is actually. Lucretia, let me tell you something. You see, I understand that it's going to be difficult. That's why we're here right now working on the situation. No, this medication, listen to me, Lucretia. This medication that I'm giving you is for can you see your brain turn here and turn there and all these things? I understand.
Sometimes my brain come out
Yes,
true
but
and come back.
Lucretia.
Where's your name again? Are you a me terrorist?
Hello. I'm not a bad person. You understand me? And I understand the word sometimes is hard to pronounce and all these things. But let's face it, we can agree to disagree. These pills will help you, Lucretia. I am here to help you to get past the whole situation. To get past this whole situation of this situation. The medication is what you need. All right.
And you want me to take more?
Take one medication and everything will be alright. I have a patient to start out, so yes, the might is a little bit bitter. Make sure you drink one full cup of water. Don't, Lucretia, those are very expensive pills. Put them back in. Are you not supposed to have?
So how much?
No, hey! You don't do that.
You say me if you take them now, me I take them No, you know. But I want me to take them again.
Lucretia, you're making this thing very difficult for me. As a man in the profession for over 15 years, I've never, dealt with a situation I can't fix. And you're heading down that lane right now. Just take your medication, please.
Not take no pill. This man going to kill me with pill. Eh? They want to come and kill me for my children. Now work. Man, they kill me with pill. Me can't take it no more, man.
Miss Lucricia,
Hello.
come and meet my new assistant.
Come in.
Lucricia, this is Cassandra, Lucricia.
Right, nice to meet you, Miss Lucricia. I'm Cassandra.
Nice meeting you too. My name is Lucricia.
Okay.
Guess you heard my name already.
Yes, Miss Susan told me about you. That you live down this side, so we'll be up there, I guess.
Okay. All right then.
Okay.
So,
She'll be here for a while. Yes.
she's your relative or what?
No, my new assistant.
Oh, your new assistant?
Yeah, okay.
Oh, so she's going to work with you too from now?
Yes.
Okay. All right then.
Okay, miss.
Enjoy your day.
All right, later.
Uh-huh.
So you left it here?
Hello, why are you looking at me like that, miss?
You look so much familiar like my daughter.
So what happened with your daughter?
She passed away.
Oh my God, really sorry to hear about that.
That's okay. Trying to get over it.
How long ago was that?
Few years ago.
Oh my God, sorry to hear about that. You say how long ago it was?
I don't want to talk about it.
Oh man, that's okay, I understand. But sorry to hear about that.
Anyway, I'll see you around. Yeah?
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. Hello, Cassandra. Come here, give me a minute, please.
Hello, good evening.
You know, I was doing some tidying up in my house and I need somebody to help me lift up my couch. Can you help me lift it up?
Oh no, I can't actually lift up anything heavy, but Mr. Wilson is up there. I could call him and get him to help you.
Cassandra, if Mr. Wilson was your father at that age, would you ask him to help you lift up a couch? Me and you can manage, man. Don't worry about it. We are two women, me and go hold than you, but me take the two can manage. Come inside. Yeah, man, come inside. Just, you can put your slippers up here. I'll bring them inside for you. You can go inside. Go ahead, no problem. You don't have to be scared. Go on, I'm coming.
Hello? Oh, yes, good afternoon, Mr. Wilson.
Good afternoon. How may I help you?
I know you don't know me, but my sister Cassandra, she works for you, and I know she's not working here very long, but I've been trying to call her. Me not get her phone. I try to text her, me not hear anything, so that's why I came by to find out if she is up there.
Your sister.
Mm-hmm.
That's interesting. Pleased to meet you,
Yeah, man.
Mr. Wilson.
Yeah, man, Richard.
You know, it's been 3 days since she left and she has not returned. I've been thinking she has not called or anything. You know, I don't know.
So are things still in the room?
Well, she did not left with any baggage or anything. You know, I've not seen her.
So,
That's
so,
so
so,
strange.
Mr. Wilson, 3 days now you don't hear from her, and report it to the police or anything?
Well, I was not thinking much of it. I thought it was just a random, going out. So, but now that you mention it, yeah,
All right, Mr. Wilson, here's what. If you hear anything, please, either see her or just tell her to call me.
I will shortly to do that.
All right?
Okay.
All right, Mr. Wilson, have a good day.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Cassandra, you're gonna be okay. You hear me just say? Me say you're gonna be okay. And don't push me hand off for you, because means your mother you're supposed to have respect for me. And nobody make me stop the nice word. Cassandra, are you okay? Do you want something to eat? I am going to get this for you at the store or whatever. Cassandra, you're gonna respect me as your mother. You understand me? Because you want me for the pan. Okay, Cassandra, you want something to eat? Do you want me to go to the store and get you some food or some whatever? Do you need fried chicken and rice or whatever? Listen, you want something for me? Do you want something to eat? I can't knock you all me nice to you as my daughter. It's like, you dey act like you don't know say me your mother. Cassandra, me is the only mother you have. You understand me? That is the reason why I get you all these teddy bears and see, you need to keep them close beside you. You understand? All right, let this one stay here. I'm going to read you a bedtime story. So after I read it to you, if you need something to eat, you can ask for it. I will understand. I know to read dumb sign. Okay? I'm going to read you a bedtime story and I need you to listen carefully. Okay. Once upon a time, there was an old gray-headed man.
Hello? Hello? Yes, ma'am.
Hello? How can I help you?
Yes, my name is Detective Langwood,
Yes?
And I'm looking for a man they call Mr. Wilson.
Mr. Wilson. For what?
I have some information that I want to lead into some arrests, and I'm looking for Mr. Wilson.
What's your name again? Officer Shartwood?
Yeah.
Okay.
Detective Shartwood.
Okay. Officer? You know I don't like to talk about people, especially to police and
No,
investigate
man,
and
no,
all
man.
them.
Whatever
What you come
information,
about?
whatever information I'm gonna
You
share.
done something wrong?
No, listen to me now. Whatever information I'm gonna share with me, it's between me and you and the girl right
So it's
here.
confidential.
It's confidential,
So
right?
what you want to hear?
I just want to know his whereabouts.
Oh, let me live right up there, so.
Which one?
Not far from here, man. Just right at the next end upstairs.
The next.
Officer, I'm going to tell you something about that man. That man is a evil man. Very wicked.
Why would you say that?
Officer, you don't understand what wicked mean and evil.
Whatever information you have in there, you can share it with me.
That man is a very wicked man. Him acting creepy. So me kind of scared of him. Yes.
I'm also looking for a female, Cassandra Black. She has been missing for 3 days now.
Cassandra Black.
A brown female, short.
The same person that working with him you're talking about?
Yeah.
Oh, that girl. I don't trust that man, you know, as I told you before. Me not trust him noon tall. Detective. Where you say I'm to you, girl?
What you say? You live right down there, sir?
Me tell you say the man live right down there, so his name Mr. Wilson. And that girl, the way you say about the girl, what happened to you,
She
girl?
has been missing for 3 days now. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, she missing 3 days now. Officer? Me can't just call you officer instead of detective, although you're a detective.
Mom, I have to go in now. I'm on time, right?
No, you need to hear this. That the man they down there, so we name Mr. Wilson. As me tell you before, he a creepy. And the missing girl there, I swear, he kill her. Him have something to do with fear death. I do not trust that man. Me no want him at me gate known tall.
Mom, be careful what you're saying, you know. Because if anything, I'm gonna have to bring you in for questioning too.
Then me no afraid, officer.
Alright, and you
I'm
know.
a neighbor, me know him. Him is a wicked man, him evil. Me dream see him a squeeze me throat.
Alright, and what's your name?
My name is Lucricia.
Lucretia.
Yes.
Alright, what's the last name?
Semester.
Semester.
Yes.
Lucretia Semester. Okay, alright,
Yes.
thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a good day, alright,
Okay,
Lucretia?
Mr. Sharton. I want them lock up that little hole man there, you see. Out your Cassandra. I'm gonna go and get Cassandra.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning. Are you name Mr. Wilson?
Yes, I am. He?
Step outside for me now, please.
Is there a problem?
I'm looking for a one, Cassandra Black. She has been missing for quite some time, and I hear that here is where she live and work. Right?
Yes, she works for me. I've not seen her for the past 3 days. She left and has not returned.
And you try to call her or anything like that?
I don't think I had to do that because normally she go in and on from time to time, you know.
So, but that not sound right. So you no call if you check on her, say anything like that. 3 days.
Actually, I didn't think I had to do that because it's normal for her to go, you know, go away for a while and then return. So nothing seems suspicious.
But here
So
we
I
go.
would call-
Here we go. Our brother called me now and tell me she's missing. Right? And if we're gonna need her to come down by the station and come make an official report. You understand? Because you want to suspect them. When I say guilty yet, you know, we have to prove it.
My son is a police officer. Should I call him?
No, man, that nothing to do with me, man. When I come down by the station, I can get a phone call.
Okay, no problem.
Alright?
No problem.
So daddy, tell me, what is happening?
My son, I am absolutely sure that Whatever I told the detectives is the whole truth and the absolute truth.
But you can understand why you're a suspect in this case, right?
Yes.
And how closely related to the case you are. Right? So basically they're saying that you were the last person to see her. So I don't know if somewhere along the line something happened, a little mistake you make, or I don't know. But me need you to be 100% straight with me. So if there's anything I can do, I know exactly how to move. You understand?
My son, have I not taught you values and attitudes of being a honest person? I raised you by myself. I ensured that food was on your table. I ensured that you had a good education. And look where you are now, a model citizen. That I'm grateful and very proud of you for. So my child, I will never, never tell a lie.
Okay.
All right, so I'll take your word for it, right? And we'll speak with the detective then. I'll let them know that you have no affiliation with what took place. So then we just ease up the pressure for you. You understand? Yeah, so they can put the focus in another direction.
Mr. Wilson? Hello? Give me a few minutes, please. You can have a seat. Okay. I don't want the other rest of people to hear what I'm saying to you, but it's not like I'm being inquisitive. But I saw the police came early on and they take you away with them. What is that all about?
Well, Miss Lucricia, since you're asking, they actually asked me to accompany them at the station. They need to ask me a few questions. To say it has to do with the young lady that works for me.
What happened to her?
Well, they said I've not seen her. They're saying that based on the investigation, the reports were that she had been missing about a week. I myself was a bit concerned really concerned because she works for me, as you may have known. I've not seen her became concerned. I even tried calling her phone, which went unanswered. So it's unfortunate. So unfortunate.
Okay, so when the police asked you about her because she was working with you, how you feel? What came in your mind? Because you haven't seen her turn up. Seriously, she don't turn up for
I
work.
was really concerned and worried.
And why didn't you report it when you see that she don't turn up for work? She's working with you.
Well, I
So
did
maybe
call.
they're going to seriously have you as a suspect.
Well, they are doing what they do, and I'm trying my best to cooperate fully with them. It's so unfortunate. I'm really concerned. Really concerned.
Mr. Wilson, you are telling me that you are seriously concerned about your worker that you haven't seen for how many days I don't know when, and you did not report it to the police. I think the police have you as a suspect. And you really, I'm not trying to be rude. You really look like a suspect to me.
Mr. Lucricia,
I believe you get me scared. I think you're a suspect.
Miss Lucretia, you really believe that had something to do with this woman's disappearance?
No, don't get me wrong. I'm just saying what came up in my mind. I didn't meant to say that, but seriously, I dreamt about you. I dreamed that you were squeezing my throat real hard and making up your face like you want to unalive me. And I start to scream in my sleep. And then I wake up and start to pray.
What does that have
And,
to do
and I
with
was asking God to help me, and God wake me up out of my sleep.
what does that have to do with a missing woman?
Mr. Wilson, don't get mad at me, please. I
Listen,
always dream, and
listen,
my dream always come through.
listen.
Anything I dream, that's the way it play out.
I've had
Straight.
enough of your insinuation against me, in particular about this missing woman, which absolutely have nothing to do with me.
Are you getting mad at me, Mr. Wilson? I don't mean anything bad. I'm just saying you look like you're a suspect. There's no doubt inside of me. I have no doubt. Believing that you are the killer. I believe that you killed that woman. I even went to the rest of tenants and I mentioned it to them. And they all agree and believe that you are the killer. How can a person working with you and they haven't turned up to work and you don't try to call the person or try to make a report at the station to the police or see somebody else and talk to them, ask them if they saw that person because they're supposed to come to work and they did not turn up. You did not mention anything to anybody. You just keep silent in your own little shell, not saying anything. What else you leave me and the rest of people in this community to believe about you?
Let me tell you something, Mr. Lucricia. You have gone too far with this situation. And listen to me very carefully. All that I need to tell the police, I've already cooperated fully with the police. I don't need to be telling you anything else. I have already maintained my innocence. And as far as this conversation goes,
Hello. Hang on, right there. Mr. Wilson, you thought that you're innocent. You're innocent until they find you guilty.
it's not your say. This is between the court and the police to decide. Not you. Have had enough of this conversation with you. How dare you? As far as this conversation go, I have nothing more to say to you. I'm going over to my apartment.
And I said what I have to say, and it is final. I
How dare you?
thought, and I think, and I strongly believe that you are the killer. You're a wicked man. Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon. How can I help?
Me come to tell us something about somebody we may know. I hear some alleged report.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Me know a man.
Mm-hmm.
Me and him live at the same place and the same building. We are next door neighbor.
Okay, your neighbor.
Yes.
Alright.
Me not too trust the man there, sir.
You don't trust him?
No, him a act one way shady like. You know, he make me him just a creepy, make me feel afraid, like me scared of him when me see him. Me not like how he move. Me not trust him, especially how somebody missing in my area.
Mm-hmm.
Me act creepy, he make me afraid.
Creepy, afraid.
Yes, me afraid of the man. Every time me see the man, me just get me scared of him.
So, wait, what is this gentleman name?
Me I try and remember what his name because me and him not really friendly about his past and say hi. Mr. Wilson.
Mr. Wilson.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, man, but I'm familiar with the case, man.
Officer, why you smile? Something serious, you know?
No,
One
because
girl missing.
Yes.
They tell you about you and you smile.
no, because I pick up what you're talking about now, and something just flashed back to me.
Oh. So you not deal with that the matter there?
Yes, man, we're actively investigating the matter.
Officer, me serious. You see that man here? I mean maybe I need to lock him up. I mean neighbor.
But he came in for questioning already
I lie. So I don't let him go for.
because it was cleared.
How cleared? You
Because
know,
we don't find him as a suspect. He's not a
Officer?
suspect.
me I tell you, say you're not think straight. Somehow no not do no work. Oh, no feel leg up somebody way. No, officer, then I me want him to come for next.
So why are you so afraid of Mr. Wilson? That's what I want to know.
Because the girl missing.
Right.
And I was not there. And when me come back, me hear everybody they talk about this girl missing. And the girl, and the girl where they work with him.
Yes.
So oh, you don't know which part the girl they where they work and he no come. No, we don't know question him. What he say?
Well, I cannot discuss that with you, you know. But I can tell you that Mr. Wilson was cleared
Feared.
of all charges.
You ain't get no money if you do this, sir.
No, why would you want to say such a thing?
Because me know say somehow no police will take money from people and buy out
No, 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 no.
It then just buy out the case. That man must get locked up. You know, a Lego them people if you then go back go do more things to other people. You know feel like that man have something to do with the girl we're missing. Me feel say
No, I don't believe so.
well, whether you believe it or not, that man killed that girl.
You believe that he killed that girl?
Me know saying do it because
know
he was
saying-
suspicious. Yes, he look like a one murder, sir. You see, if you not take up this thing in hand,
Right.
I want somebody else. You know, I go hear say missing again.
No, we don't want that. You know what is your name, by the way?
Lucricia, sir.
Lucretia?
Yes.
Okay, Miss Lucretia. I've heard all that you have to say, right?
Say and write it down.
No man, I have it all recorded on this device, you know. It's modern times now, you know. So in due time I will just transcribe it in my report.
Oh,
Right. So that's why I needed your name, so we know. And it's now 8 o'clock, July 25th, 2025. Alright.
so what are you going to do about it, sir?
I'm going to investigate it, man. I think I might come over to your where is you live again?
I don't know if I have to tell you which one I live in because you take this thing for joke and I serious.
Oh, why you think that it is for joke?
I live at Cherry Garden.
Cherry. Okay, Cherry Garden. Okay. And he's your neighbor. So
I'm a neighbor.
so when I get there, I'll possibly be able to see you and to see your neighbor as well. Right?
Make sure you come.
Okay, alright. Take your time now. Have a good day. Remember that as the police we serve and protect. Right, Lucretia?
And Miss Lucretia.
Miss Lucretia.
Okay.
Wonder what I'm going to eat for lunch today.
Good day, Mr. Wilson. Can I have a word with you, please?
Lucretia, what is it
I
now?
know the sun is hot. You want us to go into the shade? Okay. Have you heard anything about the young lady that missing?
Actually, no, I've not heard anything about that particular woman. No. Why would you ask me anyway? It happened so long ago.
I just concerned about her families, how they are feeling, what they're thinking.
Do you remember you were the one who went about saying that I was the one who killed this girl or had anything to do with your disappearance? Remember, you were the one who went about the community. I know you have the audacity to come to be saying, asking me about her. What's your motive? Where do you get off? I have enough with you and this issue.
Mr. Wilson, that was a misunderstanding. I am apologize for that, but I'm just a little bit concerned.
Hold on. You made a blunder that have tarnished my reputation. And if I may go further, because of your blunder, it has caused the whole community to believe that I am a killer, and it will forever tarnish my reputation and beyond. So don't you dare look at me. You are such one big hypocrite in all of this situation. Have you ever considered
Mr.
what that
Wilson,
has done to my
You are
character?
being very much disrespectful.
And you are being
And
very
I am
hypocritical.
trying to be a decent person with you. Who is an hypocrite?
You are.
Hypocrite like your mama. Who dare you to speak to me like that?
How dare you bring my mother into this? As of this moment, I have nothing more to say to you. Absolutely nothing. Move away from me. let me continue do what I'm doing.
Mr. Wilson, you is a hypocritical killer for this community. And I'm not sorry. Whatever I said to you, I said it and it is done. Hello?
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I know you don't know me, but I'm a little bit concerned about the lady that was working on the same building that I'm living on.
Who my sister you're talking about?
Yes. Um, I know she died and I don't know if they find the killer. Do you know if they found the killer yet?
But the police didn't announce that she died. We're just concerned that she might miss and we're still trying to find her.
Oh, sorry, because I'm a little bit concerned and I would like to try to see if I can help to find that killer because you know that I know somebody live right beside me. That man, I
Who?
think his
Mr. You
name
talk
Mr.
Mr.
Williams.
Wilson?
Wilson? Is it Wilson or Williams?
Wilson.
Oh, okay. He's my next door neighbor. Wilson, right. Wilson, you're correct. That man, you know, I think he's a evil man.
Where's this thing like that?
I think he have something to do with your sister, you know, because I dream a dream last night about that man. He's a wicked man. You know that I dream that man was holding my throat in my sleep. And I have to scream out, and when I wake up, it's like I'm picturing your sister right in front of me.
But to be honest, what's her name again?
My name is Lucricia.
To be honest, Miss Lucretia, the police cleared Mr. Wilson and say he's not involved, you know. And to be honest, even though you're saying all of this, it's not a case where we think she's dead. We think maybe she just missing and would love to find her. And I mean, if she is actually dead, would love to find the body so we can bury her.
Well, sorry to say, but I have a strong feelings that Mr. Wilson have something to do with that. Yes.
All right then, Miss Lucretia. Here's what I'm going to do then, because if you're his neighbor and you say you don't trust him, I'm going to see if I can dig into it a little bit
He's
more.
acting a little bit suspicious. I was peeping through my window the other day, you know, and I saw him on some little move. The police, they need to investigate more.
So let me ask you: when the police was doing their investigation, did you say anything to them?
No, they didn't ask me any questions. I didn't butt into people's business just like that. No, I don't do that.
All right, Miss Lucretia. I'm going to talk to the officer that has the case and see if he can open back the case. Because to be honest, I would love to just put this behind me because I love my sister dearly, and it's really a pain to really know that something like this could happen to such a nice young lady. So I'm going to talk to the officers and see if they can open back the case. But thank you again for your concern, all right?
You're welcome, and I know your heart must pain in you. Maybe it's your one sister. I can just imagine how you feel. So in case they find out who is that killer, just let me know.
All right, then. Thank you very much, all right?
So how are you, son?
Good enough, daddy. Good man, just come off a road, you know.
Okay, okay.
Go on with.
Lots of things been going on with this missing girl saga. I don't know.
Yeah.
It just have me so perturbed, you know. I hardly go out nowadays. I'm drowning in this situation. And I'm glad you are here.
Yeah. Why you no need to stress yourself about that, you know, man? A long time that man done and deal with, man. 1 year now, you know, man. That done pass and gone. Case basically closed. You see me? When I ask no question, I just do a job, you know. See police them ease up off of you. I may not even know how you stay in a matter or anything, but you're my father, so we just make it have to go on, you know?
I appreciate your concern. But
Yeah.
there's just more to it right now than what meets the eye, you know. Whole lot of hearsay going around. Especially this one woman, she's my neighbor.
Mm.
She's just constantly at me. Everywhere I turn, she's there.
You, I, it come with the territory, you know. When you have certain kind of crime and then people who attached to it are closely associated with the situation, them think they be more attached to it than usual. And them try to act as the investigators too. Them try and help police to do police work and you know they assume them have them own victim, them own criminal. Them basically try the case. You understand? So you can't make it bother you like that. You have to just focus on what is at hand and going forward. You know?
You know how I feel right now? I feel I'm actually being in the court,
Yeah.
highest degree in the court.
Yeah, man. Have to. A human nature, man. A human nature. But me used to them situation, you know. Me understand your part I work. Remember, say me a detective, you know. So me do the investigation just as them a do it, you know. But in more detail. So me understand the public perception. Me understand your perception. Me have mine and then still you're my father. So me I look upon it from a son to a father point of view, just the same man. No questions asked. You know?
Son, you know what I would love for you to do? See if you can find out what is happening. I know you are a law enforcement person. You're my son, so I have your full support. Just see what you can find out.
You see that are the thing now. Can't go peeping around and checking in on this case because everybody know that you're my father. You have to remember that. So you're going to look suspicious if I am showing some sort of interest in a case. You understand? But based upon what me I hear from my squad them, case closed, man.
I'll take your word for it.
Yeah, man, case closed. Just live normal, act normal. You understand?
Hmm.
Just like what me normal and there, right? I know easy, you know. Go and enjoy my little break. Yeah, man. So just go and live your life, daddy. Yeah, man. Go about your daily activities just the same. Life goes on, and life is going on right now. You don't know about a pay she, you know, man. She alright.
Thank you, son.
Yeah,
I
man.
appreciate you coming by to see me. I really appreciate it. How's your mom doing?
She alright, man. You know. She still have you up still, but I swear to go. I still that matter. They just the same.
That sounds very familiar.
See, you know exactly, you know. But me not ask no question once again. You know, me just have mind my business.
You're my eldest son,
Yeah.
and I'll always be your father. Thank you, son. Love you, son.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Hold yourself, daddy.
So
Enjoy.
how's the family?
Hmm? Everybody alright, man. Everybody alright. Them soon come look for you, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Them soon come look for you and
I'm
thing.
longing to see my grandkids.
Yeah, man.
Please,
I'll
they're
bring
my
them.
inheritance, you know?
Yeah. As soon as they get some holiday and thing,
Okay, okay.
make them come and spend some time with you, you know?
Especially with all of this thing happening, I need them around. You know?
Yeah.
Hello? Yes, good afternoon. Yes, this is he. Who may I ask who's calling?
and I know that you might need somebody to work for you. So we're calling to find out if you need new work.
Well, actually, I do not at this time. Uh, I'm not sure I want to go there again, you know. I've had some very unfortunate things happening around me. So I'm not really considering having anyone at this time.
Okay, I do understand, man, but based on your age and everything, I think having somebody working for you and helping you around the home would be valuable thing. So I think you should think about it.
Okay, okay. Um, okay, go ahead. Probably
All
need
right.
to reconsider having someone here again because, you know,
Okay, so
things are not going well for me. You know.
okay, I have your details. So what I'm going to make contact with this first and have them come to your residence. All right, sir?
Okay, that would be
All right.
wonderful. Yes, yes.
All right. So thank you very much for your time, and I hope you enjoy the evening.
But please bear in mind, you know how much I pay already, so go ahead and send the person, you know.
Yeah, man, I already have your details, so that's not a problem. All right, sir?
Okay, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Okay, good, good. Wow. Hmm. Ah, at least they are good people, always watching my back. Mhm. Huh. Let's go ahead have my tea now.
Hello. Oh, hi. I was
Hi,
about to call you.
Jessica.
Hi.
Oh, you're finally here. Come.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome to my humble abode.
Thank you.
So, how was your trip?
It was okay. It was alright.
You must be tired. Need anything to drink?
No, I'm okay. That's
Okay,
alright.
okay. Well, I'm happy to have you. Uh, there are some specific rules I want to lay down to you. Uh, you have access to the bathroom, the kitchen, the balcony, but my room is off limits. The kitchen, the balcony, but my room, my bedroom is off limits. At no time you should go into my room unless I am there with you. And above all, you cannot have any visitors here. That absolutely is not accepted at no time at all.
On the inside or on the outside?
Everywhere, you cannot enter these premises from the perimeter gate or fence. You cannot bring anyone inside here. I do not allow strangers in my place.
That's okay. That's okay.
So are you absolutely sure that you can handle those instructions?
Yes, this is my job. This is what I do.
Okay. Do you have any questions?
About your room, I don't clean it. You do it yourself.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay.
Do not allow anyone in my room.
Okay.
So that's about it. Do you have any questions about salary?
No, I was informed already.
Okay. Okay. And that's okay with you.
Yes.
Okay. The only thing you want to tell me that you have not mentioned before about yourself?
No, all the basic stuffs are already in the form. My name is Jessica. Last name Francis. I started this job like a year ago, 2 years tops. I chose this job because I enjoy the hospitality and I don't have any relatives here. It's just me. I'm not from here. However, I live here. Mhm.
Oh, good. It's all set then.
Yes, I should think so.
Okay, good. I'm looking for a great interaction between the both of us.
Hmm.
Mhm. Okay, thank you.
Okay, so is there anything that you would like me to do today, or I start fresh tomorrow?
You can start fresh in the morning. I'm okay.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Thanks
I'll
for
be in my
asking.
room then.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Have a good
Hmm. Guess this is where the magic happens. Yes, good afternoon, Mr. Blacks.
Oh yes, Mr. Black here.
Okay, so I was calling to inform you that I'm in. I've reached the location. However, I'm calling you on an unknown number. The number that you have for me, please do not call that number. If I have any information for you, I will give you a call, okay?
Okay, alright. So question, so how soon do you have some information from me?
I am not at liberty to say right now. But like I said, as soon as I have information, it will be handed over to you.
Alright then, alright. Talk to you soon then.
Okay, cool. Whew. Check 1, 2. Okay, so Andrea Sparks here. Recording 6:31 p.m. I've reached the location of Mr. Wilson's. So far there's been no suspicious activity. We had a calm conversation. This man doesn't look like a killer, but as we all know in my industry, they come in all shape and form. So as of now, we're giving him the benefit of the doubt, and we'll see where this goes. Signing out 6:31. Let the journey begins. Okay, Mr. Joseph, I'm done with what I was doing. What's going on with you, okay?
Just feeling a bit low key right now. Uh, there's some things going on that I'm trying to make sense of. For the most part, but I'm learning how to deal with it.
Well, I'm all ears. You can talk to me. What's
Oh,
going on?
I appreciate that. Well, what do you want to know?
All of it. Like, what's your deal, a little backstory.
Okay. My life has been so dramatic for the last year or so.
Okay.
There's one thing in particular, though. There was a young lady that used to be here. She was doing so well,
Mhm.
so well. And then one minute she's here, next minute she just disappear, just like that. And it has bothered me so much.
Disappeared. What does that mean?
I'd rather say, let sleepy dogs lie. Anyway, enough about me. What about you?
I okay, so I'm doing this job to save up some money to go back to school. I There's not a lot to know about me, honestly. Like I said, you looked a little worried, so I just wanted to see if you were okay.
Well, the truth is, I used to be a teacher about a year or so ago.
Mm-hmm.
And I was accused of a disappearance of a young lady. So I decided to just put teaching aside to deal with this situation and to do some reflection and the rest of it.
Hmm.
So it has put a very damp on my life, my very existence. So,
That's very interesting. So, did you know her, like, know her personally?
yes, she was working here for me. Hmm.
Would you consider her a good girl, like, settled, has her head on her body?
Yes.
Because normally, when young girls disappear in these times, they are normally dead. And you said it was a year ago, so, you know.
Actually, there's rumor going around that I killed her.
Excuse me?
Yeah, I killed her. Can you imagine
Hmm.
all the rumors that one takes the cake? But I would have never done such a thing.
Okay, not to be blunt, okay? But why they're pointing fingers at you? Did you have something to do with it?
Absolutely not. She used to live here with me. She was a wonderful helper.
Hmm.
I can't
So when
imagine
okay,
losing
my bad.
someone like that here.
When she disappeared, it was from here or she was home.
Actually, she left to go out,
Mm-hmm.
and I never saw her again. Yeah, I was distraught. But I swear to you, I don't know anything of her disappearance. Or in actual, I don't know. No one knows where she is. But they're assuming that I killed her.
Mm.
That's enough to, it's just overwhelming.
Okay, I'm sorry to hear. I see that you're not taking it very well. So what do you do to cope?
I don't know. Just take a few drinks every now and then.
So you do drink?
Yeah, a little vodka here and there.
Hmm.
But I'm not a presumptuous drinker. Just every now and then.
Okay, well, I hope it works out in your favor.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, is that rain? Oh, there's some clothes I have on the line. Could
Oh
you
yeah,
take them up
sure.
for me
Sure,
there?
no.
Good, good.
Hello.
Hi.
I noticed that your face look new to me. You live here?
Oh yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, I've been here for a while. I work with Mr. Wilson, so I'm his assistant.
You is Mr. Wilson assistant?
Yeah, just moving in. What's going on?
So what's your name?
Oh, I'm Jessica. And you? Your neighbor.
Yes, my
Oh,
name is
okay, nice to
Lucricia.
meet you.
You're not scared. You don't hear about anything that going on in this community since you came in here.
Anything unusual? No?
Well, I have something to tell you about that man named Mr. Wilson. I do not trust him. I
Okay.
don't trust him.
Why? Oh,
I
that's all. Let me get one call.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway,
Mm-hmm.
you never hear nobody talk about one missing girl.
Mm, not really. Why?
The girl that I'm telling you about now, him used to work with Mr. Wilson, and
Okay.
she got missing. She missing. All of a sudden, she missing. I just have a strong feeling from the incident of that missing girl.
Mm-hmm.
That man acting very much suspicious. And every time I look at that man, because he always pass and call to me, hi, hello, good morning.
Mm-hmm.
We spoke together because we are neighbors.
Mm-hmm.
But I can see the evil in that man's eye. He have something to, I swear that man have something to do with that missing
So
girl.
is it that you don't trust him because you don't like the way how he acts around the place? Or you actually have something on him?
No, I don't really have anything against him. Like me and him ever catch up before about anything.
No,
But
not against him, of on him, like
no, listen.
related to the girl being missing.
Different from the missing girl that used to work with him.
Mm-hmm.
One night when I went to my bed, I dreamed that this man, Mr. Wilson, squeezing out life out of me. He's an evil man, and from that time I was so scared until today. I think he's a suspect. Yes, he have something to do with that girl because the night when that girl missing, I heard a lot of screaming, loud, very loud. And I know that a lot of people in the community was not sleeping that night. They're supposed to hear the noise too.
It's very interesting. Did you give that information to the police?
Um, you know, one of the time I spoke to a policeman. Yes. And they said they would deal with it. I don't know if they
It's Lucretia, that's her name, right?
Lucretia.
Lucretia. Oh, my bad. So is it that you're trying to scare me or?
No. I don't want to scare you. I just want you to beware of the bad dogs.
Yeah. Okay. Well, thanks for the information. I will try to keep my head up.
I'm just letting you have an open eyes and be careful.
I will. I'm always careful.
Okay.
Okay, well, nice to meet you.
All right.
Oh,
Nice
I
meeting you too.
hope to see you around sometime.
Take care of yourself. If in case of anything, I just living down the bottom there. You could come and call me and let her give you a help.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Yes, good afternoon, Miss Parks.
Good afternoon, Mr. Blacks. No, are you trying to get me compromised?
Why would you say something like that?
Because the constant calling and the texting and the worrying, you were supposed to trust me.
Yeah, I understand all of that, but I just want some answers. That's all. It's nothing more.
And you will get them when the time is right. As of now, you have to let me do what you asked me to do.
All right. So you're saying, what are you trying to say? Since you've been there, you don't have any information for me?
Well, I do have some information, but it's not concrete. I need something else.
So, what are you trying to say? Is he the one who killed my sister or not?
I can't say right now. However, he has a neighbor that has been giving me some information, and I think she's getting somewhere. I think I'm getting somewhere as well. The information that she gave was the night your sister went missing. She heard him screaming coming from his side of the apartment. So she's almost certain that's where something to do.
What's your name? What's your name, Adeline?
Lucricia.
So how she never tell me that? As I spoke to her and she never tell me, so she hearing it screaming. And the police never get that information.
Well, I asked if she gave that information, the screaming to the police, and she said no. So I'm not even sure why I didn't even push it.
Alright. Crazy. Just see if you can do something.
Mr. Wax, this is something that requires time. You have to give me time. You also have to give me your trust. You can't.
Yeah, I understand all of that, but please remind me, remind me, my stuff. What if my sister is not dead? And the longer we take, this is time we
As of right now, there's not much that I can do because if I push this, he might suspect something and we don't want it, right? So we don't want it.
Alright. I'm going to give you some more time, but just see if we can write.
I will give you this. No. Do I have your checks?
You know what? Just keep me close, please.
I will.
Alright.
Why are you making so much noise in the house? I don't want you to make any noise in here, so that people can pass by and hear my business. Shut up! You're my daughter and you need to listen to me when I speak. I'm the mother. I am your mother. Get up and let me give you something to eat. Get up. You must feeling hungry by this. Get up! Up! Shut up. Sit up. And What?
Why you do this? Why you do all of this? Miss Lucricia, why you do all of this? Something wrong with you now? Please, just let me go. I'm not gonna tell anybody.
They just come out with that, so tell who? Who can you
Look
tell?
how long you have me here. You're not satisfied now.
I
Just let me
am
go.
your mother. Do not call me Miss Lucretia. Say mommy or mummy or mama.
Me
What?
not call you my mother. You're not my mother. You're not my mother. Just
Okay.
let me. Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry. Just let me go, please.
Okay. I am not your mother. Look at me. Look at me now. Up. I am your mother. You have no other mother. Let me tell you a little secret. You resemble my daughter.
But
And
I'm
nobody,
not your daughter.
no devil, no police, not even Mr. Wilson that you used to work with cannot tell me that you are not my daughter. Capiche?
So what you hope to achieve with all of this, Miss Lucricia?
I am achieving.
So what the end result of all of this?
I am achieving the love of my daughter by holding you
Me no
inside
love
here.
you, miss. Me want go home. Me no love you. You no understand? My brother must be worried about me though.
Which brother? I only have one child and it's you. You're my
not
daughter.
my mother.
Do not speak while I'm speaking.
My brother is worried. Just let me go and look for him. I'll come back.
If you have any brother, he's an invisible brother.
I have a brother.
That brother do not exist. I only have one child and it's you.
You know you're acting like a crazy person.
Who dare you to speak to me like
You're
that?
acting like a crazy person. Like
You know what?
you have me here for a while now. Just let
I
me
won't
go.
listen. I won't continue this conversation with you. I'm going to give you something to eat, and then you go straight to your bed and sleep. You hear me?
I'm not a child, miss. I want to go home. Please.
All right. Okay. Don't worry about if you're my daughter or not, or if you're an adult or a child. Don't worry. Don't worry about it. You'll soon find out if you is a child or an adult. Eat something now and go to your bed. Make sure I do not hear ping or else you're not going to like it. Open up your mouth. Eat.
You don't want a dry biscuit.
You have something else to eat? I will give you these crackers with salt and water. That's what you deserve for now until you follow my instruction.
So why I couldn't get some water without the salt?
You know what? I don't know if it's because you was working with Mr. Willis. You're talkative like that. Because he's just the same. And I do not like that stupid man. And you're not going back to work with him.
Miss,
You're going to
please.
stay with me for your lifetime. You understand me? Okay. Go and sleep. Lay down. And don't show your clothes like that. Here you go. Where you going?
Please,
Where you think you're going?
I've gone to the bathroom.
Which bathroom? You tell me if you want to go bathroom? You just get up. Come back right here, so. Come here, tell you something.
Please.
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
Please.
Please. Turn around. Give too much trouble.
Do not do it again, please. Don't do that.
Turn around. Turn around. Turn. All right. Move. Move on before I get rid of your backside. Shut. Otada. You otada, eh? Oh, you so otada. No noise. Shut up. Lay down. Lay down. Stretch out your foot. Your foot them you use and I get trouble. Otada. Give me your foot. That. Shut up. Shut up. Don't you ever dare move your foot or mention nothing out of your mouth. Are your foot them you use and they take time they crawl off of the bed. You think you're smarter than me? You think you're smarter than me? Come on. Don't move. Shut up. Stay right there.
Oh, morning.
Good morning. I'll be going for my morning walk. I will soon be back.
Okay, is there anything specific you'd like for breakfast?
Oh no, I'll be
No?
fine.
Okay.
Thanks. Jesse? 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 I wonder where she is.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Afternoon. It simply means that from you call me out of my house, you must have some information for me.
Well, to some extent, yes. I don't really have a lot of information, however, I have something. I stumbled across your sister's journal, our diary, earlier today. There was something else. There was a gun, so that raised my suspicion.
So which part you find my sister journal?
Well, it was in Mr. Wilson's room in his personal belongings.
Then that no whole heap of information that.
No, that's not a lot. It could have been anywhere. He could have found it anywhere in the house and put it up. That no really stand
No
out to
man,
Mr.
no
Black.
man. If Mr. Wilson have gun plus my sister journal in her possession, no man, that a whole heap that man. A whole heap that we can take that to the police.
How would we use that to our advantage?
Tell the police that Mr. Wilson have gun and he have my sister diary.
No, that's not how it works, Mr. Blacks. I am telling you, we can't bring that to court. We can't use that. We need something else to put on it.
So I feel like you probably get too close to Mr. Wilson. You get attached to him.
Why would you think that?
Alright. Alright. You know what you suggesting?
Give me some more time. I pass on the information because you're in frustration and you're curious. You always call me. So, forgive a little ease. I decided to pass on the information. Not that it would do any good, but just to let you know I'm
That
working on
yo, that
something.
not give me no farm of ease, you know. Right now that even raise more suspicion more anything else, you know.
Mr. Blacks, like I said, Mr. Wills, it just doesn't, all the information I'm gathering, it doesn't feel like it's him. But I'm doing my best here.
Alright. Do what you have to do.
Thank you.
Hello, Miss Lucretia. Miss Lucretia.
Hello, come in. Hi,
Yes, good afternoon.
good afternoon.
Can I have a word with you?
Yes, you can come inside.
Yeah. Yes, good afternoon again.
Good afternoon.
You remember me, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. You know, from the last time you came to my house, I took your advice and I take things in my own hand. I actually went to the police and see if them could do anything about Mr. Wilson. And to be honest, the police wasn't any help. So what I did, I went ahead and hired a private investigator, somebody to who could actually go undercover and see if they could get some information on Mr. Wilson. So I don't know if you saw a young lady around the apartment.
Yes, I saw some new face, and I think I spoke to her the other day.
Yeah, man. So
She said,
she's the one. She's working for me. She's trying to see if she can get some dirt on Mr. Wilson. But to be honest, I know that I shouldn't even be giving you all this information. But the reason why I'm telling you all this is that, to be honest, she has not produced any form of tangible evidence to prove that Mr. Wilson is the one that killed or kidnapped my sister. So I'm thinking that I should just fire her. Because to be honest, talking to you, you have provided much more information to me than what she have given me so far. So to be honest, you're sure you don't have anything more that you didn't tell me or the police that could help?
listen to me. You know, I was thinking the same thing about that young lady that I spoke to the other day. Just listening to her, it sounds like she's not a professional. You know, but I was telling her that I heard a lot of noise up there. The same night when your sister missing, I heard somebody screaming very loud. And it was so loud that I couldn't even sleep. I don't understand her. Why she's not doing her work properly? She don't give you any tangible evidence, nothing at all.
All right. Don't worry yourself. Thank you very much. What I'm going to do, I'm going to see if I can take things in my own hands. I'm going to deal with Mr. Wilson myself.
No, you're thinking what I'm thinking. I don't think that young lady can deal with this matter.
Yeah,
This
man.
is a very serious matter. You need to take it up in your hand.
Yeah, man. I'm going
You know,
to deal
I
with
was
Mr.
thinking
Wilson.
about something while I was talking, but I didn't want to cut you, you know. I think you should deal with Mr. Wilson yourself.
Yeah, man. That is exactly what I'm going to do.
When I said deal with him, you know, I mean you're supposed to unalive him for your sister because she was working with him and he's acting like he don't know nothing about this young lady.
All right. Don't say anything more. Thank you very much for your help. All right. I'll definitely deal with this.
And if you cannot deal with it, maybe you could ask me some more question about somebody who could deal with it for you. I'll just let you know.
All right then. Thank you very much. All right.
Yes, that man is a evil man.
Police.
What's up?
Come on, Papa.
I'm here just going through my routine juice and smoothies book, you know. You know I'm always for that.
I want to use a healthy lifestyle, no?
So
Probably can't get strong like me. Yeah. Do my what? Then I hear I work to them and do couple raid and thing, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So it makes them just pass by and here I check to see if everything is good.
You know, son, I just hired a girl to help me around the house.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me get her for you. Jesse! Jesse!
Hi.
Jesse,
Mm-hmm.
I call you to introduce you to my son.
Hi.
This is Jason Jesse. Yes, my
I never
son.
knew you had a
My
son.
first child.
Okay. Hi, Jason.
Well,
Okay. So, is something wrong?
you find that odd? I
Yes,
chose
because
to tell
he's
you,
in his
or I
work.
chose not to tell you. Not a
No,
big
not
deal.
that. He's here in his, work attire.
Yeah. I
So-
work in that area, so I just stop by. If you want to stop and check around for it.
Of course, why not? It's not an issue. I'm only asking because,
Yeah, I'm gonna work at there. Because I'm working.
okay. Is something wrong, Mr. Jason?
Oh, you're asking why I'm gonna work at there, so I'm asking you to
I sense a little tension.
attention.
Hmm. Okay. So, how long have you been a cop?
10 years.
That's interesting.
You? I didn't get a full name.
I don't see where it's important, but it's Jessica Francis.
Jessica Francis.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, how long have you been doing this, Jessica Francis?
A year, 2 year tops. Mm-hmm.
And how many other person have you cared for?
Quite a few.
Have you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, have good recommendations.
I would hope so.
You hope so.
Mm-hmm.
I'd like to probably get one or two. Just to verify
Why
that
is
my
that?
father's in good hands.
Don't you think you're in good hands, Mr. Wilson?
Yes, but on the contrary, he's my son.
So, Mr. Wilson, he wasn't aware that I'm here?
No,
No? Why?
I'm not sure.
Why is that, Mr. Wilson?
Listen, do you have a problem with my son visiting?
No, do your son have a problem with me?
It's up to him.
Okay.
No problem here.
No problem here either.
And I'm good.
Mm-hmm.
I'm good with that.
But Jessica, since you're taking care of my father, that means I need to have some contact for them and so. What's your number?
Sure, why not?
Mm-hmm.
It's 658
Mm-hmm.
213
Mm-hmm.
240.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. It's good to have your contact so I can call you and check on that, you know?
No problem.
But daddy,
Yes, son.
I go back when you working because you know
Okay.
job demanding, you know?
Okay.
So if nothing, next week or so I'll pass through again.
Okay. And as I would always say to you, watch your back.
Now man, I didn't watch your back. I know things already.
Looking forward to see you again, Mr. Jason.
Of course, Jess, I'm looking forward, don't worry. Yeah, Ricky. Yeah, man. Detective Barnett. Here, I do. I run a number for me. Yeah, man, I just WhatsApp it to you. I run and find out who the person. You give me as much information as you can, man. You want the address, full name, everything. Don't worry about it, man. I soon tell you how, man. But I just need to do this for me ASAP, you know, man. Yeah. I want to work in for the next 30 minutes. Zine? Alright, soon link up. Alright. See what Miss Jessica really about.
What's going on? Mr. Black?
Well, Mr. Wilson,
What's going on?
yo, me just come to deal with Mr. Wilson case. That's all I want you know.
Deal with it like this? How will this help the situation?
Listen, me I say. Me I talk to Miss Lucricia, and based upon how she a talk, from ever since till now, me convince her Mr. Wilson did this,
So you spoke to her again?
Yeah,
Why?
because you never did give me no solid information. So me talk to her to see if she could have nothing more she could tell me say.
And what she told you?
Me don't want to go into details.
No, it's important for you to tell me now because for some reason I feel like others are pointing to her. Because why she's so invested in the case and why she has so much information and why she did not pass on the information to the police. The information that could have been useful. That makes sense to you, Mr. Black?
So what you try to say?
I am trying to say I need more time. I really don't think Mr. Wilson, is the person that did
So if
the...
I know him, I did not who? Lucretia?
Well, I'm not pointing fingers, but like I said, she has too much in this. Why is she so involved? All right, hear what? I understand the frustration. I really do. Just go home and give me some time to figure this out. Mega dig in a Miss Lucretia background and see what there is that is connected to this.
All
Because
right.
it's something.
All right. Do what you have to do, But this is our final try, You see, after this, if me not get no result, me will deal with it. Me don't talk.
Thanks for meeting me under these short circumstances. As I was letting you know on the phone, I'm running an investigation. It's ongoing. One of the persons involved in the investigation, I recently found out that she was a patient of yours, Lucricia.
Lucretia. Oh my goodness. And this investigation, I tell you, I wish you all the best because Lucretia, I had to cut all ties because believe me, it was one of those things where say it's either you lose your brain, like the people who you try to help, or you just give in to Jesus. But yeah, no longer part of my thing, man. I have to cut it off.
Well, what exactly happened?
She's one of those persons where it could have worked, things could have been good, and on my score, my status, everybody that I work with, has actually made it to that place. She was stubborn, didn't want to take her meds, so that caused everything to fall in that category where she went cool.
Okay, so what was the reason why she was a patient in the first place? What happened?
Really and truly, I'm not supposed to even talk all of these things, but she lost her child, right? And in the whole process of, accepting that the child is gone, our brain decided to, still, have the child alive on, the other part of our brain, which is, something, I don't want to say the word MAD, I'm not going to call the word, but, on that side, so she just never really accept the reality that her child is gone. So that kind of make our brain slide.
So how long was she a patient of yours? How many sessions did you have?
I think you're trying to investigate something like you interrogated me now.
No, I'm not doing. I'm just trying to get a better picture of what's going on. That's it.
But I think I've given you as much. Didn't I?
Well, I'm asking relevant questions. Like these are important questions.
Yes, but I said before, I give you this information because you sound like a nice person. You sound like a person that really wants certain information, but as much as I can give. I'm not even supposed to tell you these things, to
I
be
do
honest.
understand, and I appreciate it. I appreciate you meeting me.
Exactly. So, I think I gave you all that you needed, right?
All right, one last
Basic.
question. So, would you consider Miss Lucricia harmful?
If she don't take her medication, she deadly. If you want to put it straight, be blunt. She's meds, she's good, but not taking her medication,
Mm-hmm.
I would consider, to put her on the red zone.
Andrea.
Excuse me?
Yes, Andrea.
Where did you get the name Andrea from?
Andrea, I'm the police. How can I question that? So just cut all of the show you're putting on.
What show?
I know everything.
What
So
is your
is
suspicion
what
for
do you mean
you
where
to
is
go
my
and go and
suspicion?
cut?
I'm supposed to check you out and know exactly who you are.
Okay, I know that you did your check and you're here. What is it?
Now you get to explain yourself.
About what exactly?
No, me know say you're not a housekeeper. You're an investigator.
Okay.
So what are you investigating?
Okay, you're a cop and I'm an investigator. Why not? So as you know, there is an ongoing investigation that your father is involved in, right? You're aware? A girl
Yeah.
went missing, right?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Okay, so I was hired to do the investigation because the relatives believe that he had something to do with it. So I came undercover, trying to see what I can find. So far, there's nothing, like literally nothing. There is nothing.
Obviously.
However, I did stumble across the young lady journal or diary. Also, your father has a gun. Why is that?
He's a licensed firearm holder. I ain't sure that he had a gun.
Why he felt the need to protect himself? And why is it just laying around and not in a safe?
Because he lives alone.
And
He lives alone. It's his
okay, he has a
gun.
gun in the bag, in a
Right,
bag,
right.
right? I had access to that gun. I could have done anything with that gun.
Well, see, no, I don't know what to say. You're in his house.
Hold on. You know what?
Yes, exactly.
What is it that you want
So-
from me?
No, I need to know what is it that you want from him.
I just told you.
Okay, so now that you found all of that out, what now?
I'm not sure yet. It's an ongoing investigation, obviously. There is more. There is a lot more. I just need to find the starting point.
What more? What else you find out?
Well, that's it. But there's more information because she never just gone missing.
But it's been over a year.
Listen, there is a neighbor, right? His neighbor.
Mm-hmm.
You may be familiar. Lucricia,
Mhm.
right? She came to me the other day and she said that she heard screaming from his apartment the night the young lady went missing.
Really?
Isn't that something? No, she told me that when she went by the station to give, her statement, she said that she did not hand that information over to the police. And maybe that's the reason why they did not do an investigation or it never go further. I don't know. Also, there is this neighbor, right, by the name of Lucricia, something like that.
Mhm.
She came to me the other day and she said that the day the young lady went missing, she heard screaming coming from your dad's apartment, right?
Mhm.
So, I also have the recording because I did record it. So I thought that was needed.
Okay, let me hear it.
So,
When that girl missing, I heard a lot of screaming. Loud, very loud.
Interesting.
so what do you think about that?
I think I need to look into Miss Lucricia now.
No, what do you think as a police officer? What's your take on it?
Well, I know that she said that she was not home when the incident took place.
What?
So something is not adding up.
I don't understand. Because she came to me, I did
Right.
not know her. She came to me randomly and she just passed that information on to me.
Mhm.
And she told the police that she was not there.
Right.
Okay. I don't understand.
That's something that I need to look into then.
No, Mr. Jason. Not to point fingers or anything. How do you think your father plead? Not guilty?
My father is innocent.
Mm.
You don't realize that?
I don't know.
From your investigation, you don't realize that by now?
I don't know what to think. He has the journal in his possession. He has a gun.
Mm-hmm.
The neighbors heard screaming coming from his apartment.
Mm-hmm.
And then that's it.
The same neighbor that said that she was not home heard screams coming from his apartment. They realized something not adding up there, so I think all roads leads to Lucricia.
Be careful.
I'm good, man. I have my gun, so I'm good. I'm go check Miss Lucricia.
What do you mean? Are you the one doing the investigation? You are the police on the case?
No, I'm not the police on the case, but the case was closed. But now we have new information, thanks to you.
Mm-hmm.
So I am going to check on Miss Lucricia.
And that will be in the books, right?
Of course, I go by the book. I am the law, remember?
Mm-hmm.
As a detective, I must fulfill my duties on the job.
Oh, really?
Yes.
That's interesting. Okay.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So, I thank you very much for your information and your help. And I think that your time has expired here also, so you can pack your bags and you can go along your merry way.
You weren't the one that hired me.
But I'm the
Also-
one to fire you.
Also,
right?
I'm a licensed investigator, so
Yes,
I'm
and
not
and
breaking any
and
laws.
you're not breaking, but you are on my father's property, which in turn is my property, and I am asking you kindly to leave, right? So, Miss Andrea, Miss Jess, whatever you want to go by, I don't want to see you here when I get back. All right? Leave police matters to me. All right?
Mr. Jason,
I am the law.
I am a
I am the
licensed-
law. Miss And I am the law. So let the police do the police work, and I will rectify this matter. I thank you very much for your cooperation, for your information. You have done so well in getting it. I think that your time has come to an end, and you're free to go now.
No, you are free to go.
No, I do not want to come back and see you here at my father's place, right?
Mm-hmm.
I remember that you're not a housekeeper, you know.
Yes.
But I don't know if you enjoy. You know what? Leave it right there. But I don't want to come back and I don't want to see you here. All right, Miss Andrea. Miss Jess, we'll keep in touch. Remember, I have your number, so you can always call me, message me, whatever you want, and I'll update you on what happened. All right? Fair enough. All right, so enjoy your day now, all right? Oh, by the way, just send me that recording, all right?
Will do.
Thank you, thank you.
Looking forward to see you.
Most definitely, Andrea. Miss Lucricia,
Hi.
how you doing?
Good.
Hey, Miss Lucricia, you remember me?
Yes.
Yeah, man, I am detective, the one that spoke with you.
Mm-hmm.
So, a few things has been happening regarding the young lady that went missing. I don't know if you're familiar with the whole situation right now, but somehow your name reached back in it again.
I don't know. You'd have to explain and tell me.
Well, for one, I heard that you said you saw something on the night of the disappearance, and in your report you said that you weren't home.
I did not say that.
We have it on the record, you know.
How can I stay in my house and see something? I said I hear. That means I heard a noise, a screaming noise.
But you said
that
you weren't
night.
home. That's what you told me. You said that you weren't at home. But now you're telling me that you heard a scream. So now that you're home, so it's either you're home or you're not home.
Detective, if I told you that, Maybe I was thinking about something else, but I'm not sure that I told you something like that. No, not me. Me never tell you that. Look like you forgot everything when me and you talk about.
No, Miss Lucricia, I have everything in writing, you know. I don't forget anything, and we can go back over your statement.
Detective, not twist me up. Me no idiot. The night when it happened, me there in my yard, and me hear the screaming.
Miss Lucricia, you hearing yourself?
Listen to me now. Let me tell you the truth. Whatever time it happened, whenever time, me no hear nothing at all. Me never hear no screaming, no noise, nothing, whatever you want to call it. Me no hear nothing.
So, Miss Lucricia, you're saying that you were home now? Are you never home?
You know, say no. Wait, hold on.
Me confused.
But
me
me
try make
confused too,
sense.
cause you see, it gone so long. Me no remember if me did the home or me never the home. And me no remember if me tell you that neither.
Miss Lucricia, you know that he's my father.
Who is your father? Who is your father?
Miss Lucricia.
Huh?
Mr. Wilson is my father.
Mr. Wilson is your father?
Yes.
What did you say your name again? Detective what?
Detective Barnett.
So, I don't understand this, you know. So you did not get your father's last name?
I got my mother's name.
So Detective, your jacket. Sorry, me no mean to say that. Sorry, me that
Miss Lucricia, that is beside the point.
Okay, alright.
But you need to stop what you're doing. Cause now you're starting to look
What
suspicious.
am I doing?
I don't know, I'm not quite sure.
I'm not doing anything. You ask me a question and I answer you. Politely. I said I was not here. And a matter of fact, even if me did day here and me no day here, me no sure, me no remember it gone so long. I don't know why you come back and bring up this to me after it gone so long.
You're sure you're alright, Miss Lucricia? Cause
I am okay.
You get me confused right now. Me not sure.
I am also confused because I don't know why you told me just now that my name come back up in this. Why? After this thing gone so long.
Miss Lucricia, I feel like we are going in circles. I want you to listen to this and tell me.
When that girl missing, I heard a lot of screaming. Loud, very loud. Detective.
Yes, Miss Lucricia.
That sound like it's a AI. Fake. You know the fake sound? And you know what? It almost sound like my late twin sister.
No, sir.
Yes, it sound like my late twin sister voice. But you know the AI thing them can use any voice.
So now you tell me say AI this?
I'm not sure. I said
it
sound like.
Your dead twin sister.
Yes, it sound like it. Remember AI can make any voice.
No,
Sound
sir.
like my late twin sister. That could never be me. I know me.
I know you, but it sound like you, but I know you.
I know me, sir.
Something is off. But we're going to get to the bottom of it, you know. Some way, somehow, we're going to get to the bottom of it.
So from that time until now, you're still at the top of it?
No, you see, the thing is, it was all gone and the case was closed. But you went and said something else to someone else. So that is why we're back here again. I know I'm very, very suspicious of you. What is wrong with you?
Oh. Wait,
Huh?
Detective. Wait, hang on, just let me go to the bathroom and come back. I'll be back. Just give me a minute, please.
Take your time. Take your time.
give you guys a minute to conversate, but I don't want it to really push out too much. You understand?
Alright, alright. Thank you very much, officer. Sis, you see,
Yeah.
all the time when you did missing, me never give up on you. Honestly, me never give up.
This was just such a hard experience. I'm just really grateful to the police officer come find me. Like, I'm just so happy to be going home right now.
And to be honest, I would never imagine say that a woman they kidnap you. Me just really feel bad now myself to know say me did really judge Mr. Wilson and say him do it.
And the lady seemed so nice at first.
So you come here. I'm so happy you're alright.
Again, I would like to apologize for everything, for misleading you and the situation and the chaos. Know that the girl has been found and, you are innocent of all charges. I want to apologize for that and all the pain that I've caused. But it's a part of my job,
I really do understand. But while all of that was happening, I was so overwhelmed with the frustration and all of that. So I'm also sorry for the way I acted, you know.
I totally understand. Take care.
Oh, I really need to say this. Even with all of that happening, you were really a great help to me. And I appreciate all of that you have done for me. I will really miss you.
I'm happy that I could help, and the talks were really genuine. They weren't a part of the job,
Okay.
So it was good getting to know you as well.
I don't know if I can actually suggest this, but if you have any free time, feel free to come by,
Oh, okay, I will. I
sit
will.
chat and have some drinks or so, even lunch.
I might just take you up on that.
Okay.
Okay, well, take care.
Nice to have you. Well, take
Okay,
care.
bye
Enjoy
now.
your trip back home.
I will.
We offer more than just movies. We offer professional photo and video services. In case your family members or friends are unable to attend your event, we can live stream it just for you.
I understand the frustration, I really do. But just give me some more time. I gotta dig in on Miss Lucricia and figure out what we
You're
need to
digging
figure
her?
out.
You're digging
Yes.
her? You're gonna do some digging and see if you can run around back.
I'm looking for a one, Cassandra Black.
I will so. Come in, Javi, change chat.
You're calling me so creature. Say mommy.
Yeah, you're mad. Say, mommy, Miss Lucretia, you know that I'm not your daughter.
Nice to meet you. I'm Jamaican. I'm Blood of Jesus. I'm Cassandra. All right, let's do it.
Ah! I never know. I think we don't cut. Sorry.
Action! Take off his man. Come on. Contact that neighbor, you know. Because I know I'm starting to feel like she has more information or she's doing a better job than you.
Well, all right, no, stop that. Yeah, I feel like
Yeah, man, I feel like you're disrespecting my credibility. Yeah. And then, no, when you say that, no.
Since you're no housekeeper, what you do ya?
Exactly. And then you say,
Bad guys.
ever I did stumble across. So far, there's nothing at all.
Jesus, I do miss Lucricia. What you do? What you do?
What is that? I try to grab him, man, gun.